everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a nice primitive look using Dixie Belle paint. First, take a dry brush and slap some paint on whatever surface you're painting. You really want this step to be pretty messy and the coat to be pretty thin. So as you can see, I'm just dry brushing this honky tonk red paint all over the surface with a very dry, clean paintbrush. Once you've applied paint to your entire piece, this should be what it should look like. It's a nice thin coat, very transparent, and almost kind of messy and unfinished looking. That's going to be the perfect base for this primitive effect. Next, we're going to take some sandpaper. I like to use 120 grit for this. And we're just going to rough up the whole surface. You really want to expose a lot of that wood underneath and get rid of any of the streaks in your paint. Make it look nice and old and beat up like it's been around for a while. The last step is to take Dixie Belle's No Pain Gel Stain in whichever color you would like. I'm using walnut for this, and apply it all over the entire surface of your piece. I actually ended up switching to using a chip brush to apply the stain here and then wiping away the excess with a wet paper towel. And this is the finished effect. It's a really easy look to achieve that only uses 2 products, and this is super versatile and can be used with any different color of paint and any different color of stain, creating an almost endless number of possibilities. Thanks for watching!